Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Style with Nivedita. I am back again with another haul video, and today's haul video is the top haul from Myntra and all are under 500. So अभी ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते हैं and let's start the haul. The first one is this top. This one you can see it is very beautiful. It's very stylish. It's giving a very stylish and elegant look. I can style this top in different ways with different type of bottoms. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा top, and yeah, it's a viscose fabric and it's very soft and comfortable to wear. It's very lightweight, and the sizes available for this top wear from small to L, एंड मैंने स्मॉल साइज लिया था. या द फिटिंग इन द बॉडी पार्ट इज वेरी गुड. इट्स फिटिंग मी वेरी परफेक्टली, बट यहाँ से ये थोड़ा सा लूज हो रहा है. इट्स लाइक नीचे से जा रहा है थोड़ा सा. सो यू कैन सी मैं बार बार खींच रही हूँ. सो दिस पार्ट इज लिटिल बिट अनकंफर्टेबल फॉर मी, क्योंकि ये नीचे से जा रहा है तो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. सो आई एम वेयरिंग अ ब्लैक इनर इनसाइड दिस टॉप. आप सेम कलर के भी ले सकती हो. सो दिस इज लिटिल बिट ऑफ फेडेड पिंक टाइप कलर का टॉप है ये. सो सेम कलर भी आप पहन सकते हो इन या डिफरेंट वाइट वगैरह भी पहन सकते हो. सो आई थिंक इट विल गो परफेक्टली. And yeah, it's good. The length is of regular length. The sleeves are full sleeves, like as you can see. The neck is V neck and ये V type है, इसलिए I think little नीचे से ऐसे जा रहा है, which is not making me feel good. But okay, overall top अच्छा है, बहुत ही beautiful है, बहुत ही elegant stylish है. The price of this top is just 255. Can you believe I got this top in just 255? I mean yeah, यहाँ से मुझे थोड़ा सा uncomfortable हो रहा है, but overall ये बहुत ज़्यादा stylish लग रहा है. And I can style इन डिफरेंट पार्टीज या फिर डाइनिंग के लिए या डेट नाइट्स के लिए भी हम मैं इसको स्टाइल कर सकती हूँ. सो आई थिंक इट्स ग्रेट एंड 255 इज अ गुड प्राइस. The next one is this top, and this top is also very beautiful, very cute, and very stylish. It's giving me a very soft, feminine type vibe, the vibe that I love so much. तो मुझे ये टॉप तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगा. ये टॉप भी मैं डिफरेंट वेज में स्टाइल कर सकती हूँ विद डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ बॉटम्स लाइक जीन्स कार्ड्स वगैरह के साथ. इट विल गो वेरी परफेक्टली. एंड ये भी मैं डिफरेंट पार्टीज के लिए भी स्टाइल कर सकती हूँ. डेट नाइट्स या अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ आउटिंग हो, कैजुअल वे में भी मैं इसको स्टाइल कर सकती हूँ. सो आई थिंक दिस टॉप इज so good, and this top is of polyester fabric, and this top is also very soft and comfortable to wear. It's lightweight and it's giving so comfort. The sizes available for this top were from extra small to extra large. I got extra small size, and you can see the fitting. It's fitting so perfectly. I just loved it. The length is same. It's a regular length. The neck is round neck. The sleeves are full sleeves, and we have a cute bow in the middle, and we have this lace design on the neck, which is making the top more feminine. So I just love the whole top, the vibe of the top मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगा. The price of this top is just 287. 287 is just perfect because fabric वगैरह भी बहुत अच्छा है, and it's giving a very great look, and the fit is also so perfect. So it's a great price. The next top is this top, and this top also you can see this top is also so stylish and giving a very good elegant stylish look. I can style this top also obviously in so many different ways with so many different bottoms, and ये भी मैं party वगैरह के लिए या फिर dining dates के लिए भी style कर सकती हूँ. It's very good stylish, and it will give a very good look. It's a beige color and it's sleeveless, as you can see. The neck is like square type neck, so the shoulder part is little bit like this. I'm not able to say it, like थोड़ा सा neck to chest type थोड़ा सा है. So it's sleeveless obviously, and it will give a very good look as I've already said. And the fabric is polyester fabric, and yeah, this is also very soft and comfortable, very lightweight, बहुत ही पतला है, and I'm feeling so comfortable wearing this top. The sizes available for this top were from extra small to large only. I got extra small size, and you can see the fitting is perfectly fitting. I just have to tie it here. So इट्स अप टू आस्क कि हम कितने टाइटली इसको टाई करें या कितने लूजली. सो आई थिंक और कैसे स्टाइल करें, लाइक आई एम जस्ट डूइंग लाइक अ क्रॉस मार्क इन द फ्रंट पार्ट, बट वो आप आई थिंक डिफरेंट वेज में भी इसको टाई कर सकते हो. सो इट्स ग्रेट. एंड the price of this is just 254 for this top is very perfect because the material वगैरह भी बहुत अच्छा है. It's very comfortable to wear and it's giving a very stylish look, so I think it's great. The next top is this top. You can see this top. This top is also so beautiful. It's giving a very stylish, elegant look. I love this top also very much. This is a polyester fabric and this is also very soft and comfortable to wear. And the length is a crop. It's a crop top and the sleeves are, yeah, obviously full sleeves, and it's a off shoulder top. So if you are comfortable with that ऑफ शोल्डर टॉप, देन आई थिंक यू शुड गो फॉर दिस टॉप, अदरवाइज नॉट, क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा ही रिवीलिंग टाइप है. यू कैन सी इन द चेस्ट पार्ट एंड इन इट्स अ क्रॉप टॉप ऑल्सो, सो इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल टाइनी टॉप. सो if you are comfortable on it, then go for this top. And the sizes available for this top are from extra small to large. Fitting is very good. The sleeves fitting also, the body fitting also, it's very good. And the price of this top is just 287. 287 is very good for this top because it's a very stylish top, and we can style this top in different parties. Date nights के लिए भी या dining वगैरह के लिए भी हम लोग इसको style कर सकते हैं in a cute way also, in a stylish way also. And so I think it's a good price. So these were some tops that I got from Myntra this time. All are so beautiful, so stylish, and I loved all of them. अगर आपको भी कोई भी टॉप अच्छा लगा, I'll give the link in the description. You can take from there. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा, then do like and comment, and yeah, do subscribe my channel if you love haul videos, because I'll be coming with more and more haul videos. For now, bye bye guys. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.